Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 7X, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, all you need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'll be using settings as an example for this, but you can open up any kind of other application that you want. And once it's open and visible on a screen, simply press and hold power key and volume down at the same time. So I'm gonna do that right now. Now for some reason it actually didn't capture. Let me try it again. There we go. This time it worked. And as you can see, it shows you this little animation which disappears after a moment. This is just so you are aware that you did capture a screenshot. Now from there, if you've seen, there was a couple options. So you have share, edit, and scroll, which I just pressed on it just so you can see it, because we can, as you can see, capture a scrollable version of this screenshot, which simply allows you to capture a longer version. So if you can scroll that content, like settings, as an example, that's kind of why I opened it, you can capture it further down than normally a screenshot would capture. So yeah, and as you can see, you can view it from here, what it captured. You can edit it, delete it, share it, and if you close it, I believe it automatically saves. Now, both of those images that I have captured can be found in the gallery application. Actually, I'm gonna skip this, there we go. And as you can see, there is the scrollable one, and then there is the normal one. And there we go, that is how you would capture your screenshots, and also where you can find them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.